making pizza? On Valentine's Day, you're not even answering the phone. This is the first time in 22 years. Pizza is one of our favorite dishes to make, and I just love an excuse to use the bread we made at the restaurant. Let's see what we can come up with today using the recipe from the Black Sheep's peasant bread. First, a refresher on the bread itself. Mix yeast. Remember, I overdo the yeast because I love the flavor and the aroma. With warm water. Then add some flour. And mix that real good. Add some salt. The sugar, if you want some. Now mix it again. If your water is the right temperature, you should notice quite quickly the yeast is already working. Now let's let it rise a bit. Now add some more flour, and remember, this is an estimate because we're not sure exactly how much we're going to need. Add some of Rick's Chef salt. Put some oil on your hands and start to mix. And knead. Keep adding flour as needed. Continue kneading until the dough looks like so. Now make some baseball to softball sized dough balls and roll them out into a flat pizza. I like mine pretty thin. Okay, for those of you that are interested in what the recipe was for the bread, I started with 3½ cups of warm water, 3 tablespoons of yeast, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. I then added a little bit more than 3 cups of flour to the final product. Now back to our pizza. First, I'm going to slice some mushrooms and then marinate them in an Italian white truffle oil with a little bit of Rick's Chef salt. And let's make the pizza. Spread some cheese. Put on the marinated mushrooms. And in this case, I'm going to add some sausage, some garlic sausage. A little more cheese. Put it in the oven to bake, and voila! Pizza! A truffle-scented mushroom pizza with sausage. Now, Diana made a pepperoni and mushroom pizza. And then some. What can you do?